Hi, and welcome to Lesson 8, and we're going to learn 20 more commonly used English vocabulary words. We're going to practice some sentences and some definitions, so get your papers and get ready. Accept, accept, accept. To accept something means to take it. The woman accepts the package from the man. Arrange, arrange, arrange. Arrange is a verb. To arrange things means to put them in the right place. The workers arrange the vegetables at the store. Attend, attend, attend. Attend is a verb. To attend something means to go to it. The doctors all attend a video meeting together. Balance, balance, balance. Balance is a verb. To balance something means to keep it from falling. Ooh, crazy. The crazy person is balancing over a valley. Wow. Contrast, contrast, contrast. Contrast is a noun. Contrast is the big difference between things. There is a big contrast between the mother and son snails. Encourage, encourage, encourage. Encourage is a verb. To encourage someone is to make them want to do something. The trainer encouraged the young man to work hard. Familiar, familiar, familiar. Familiar is an adjective. To be familiar means that you know someone well. The friends were all familiar and loved hanging out. Grab, grab, grab. Grab is a verb. Grab is to take a hold of something suddenly. Everyone quickly grabs some butter popcorn. Yummy. Hang, hang, hang. Hang is a verb. To hang means to stay above ground. The koala hangs in a tree so it can take a nice nap. Huge, huge, huge. Huge is an adjective. If something is huge, then it is very big. The sun is huge when compared to the earth. Necessary, necessary, necessary. Necessary is an adjective. If something is necessary, you need it. It is necessary to drink lots of water to stay healthy. Pattern, pattern, pattern. Pattern is a noun. A pattern is a way that something is done or organized. Her daily pattern always starts with brushing her teeth. Propose. 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 It's a verb. To propose something is to say it should be done. The pharmacist proposes a new medication to try. Purpose. Purpose. Purpose is a noun. The purpose is the reason for something we have or do. The purpose of the helmet and life vest is for safety. Release. 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 Release is a verb. To release something is to stop holding it. The woman released the paper lantern during the festival. See, she let go. Require. 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 Require is a verb. To require something is to say that it is necessary. The man requires some help because he has too much work. Single. 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 Single is an adjective. If something is single, that means there is only one. The single flame of the candle gave little light. It's very dark. Success. 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 Success is a noun. Success is doing something well that you try to do. She worked hard and finally had success on her website. Good job. Tear. 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 Tear is a verb. To tear something means to pull it apart. The contract was no good, so he tore it up in anger. Tore is past tense. Theory. 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 Theory is a noun. A theory is an idea about how something works. Einstein had one of the most famous theories ever. All right, I hope you had a good time with this lesson, and remember to finish all of your worksheets. See you next time. Bye.